In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a page in Canva Docs. If you've ever needed a clean break between sections, a new chapter, or a fresh page for a title or appendix, this is the quickest and most reliable way to do it. We're going to use a page break, which tells your document to end the current page right where your cursor is and start the next one immediately after. It's simple, precise, and perfect for documents you plan to print or export as a PDF. Start by opening your Canva doc and making sure you're inside the document editor. Take a moment to place your cursor exactly where you want the new page to begin. This part matters because the page break splits your content at that precise point. If your cursor is in the middle of a paragraph or right after a heading, the following text will jump to the next page. Now, with your cursor in place, press Ctrl and Enter together on your keyboard. That's it. You've just inserted a page break. You'll see your content flow onto a fresh page, giving you a clear separation between sections. From here, you can start typing on the new page or paste in content you've prepared. This method keeps your layout tidy and prevents accidental spacing issues that can happen if you try to force a new page with extra blank lines. If you don't see a new page right away, make sure the editor is active by clicking inside the document, then try Ctrl plus Enter again. Also, double-check that nothing is highlighted. A selection can sometimes replace text instead of inserting a break. A single, deliberate press of Ctrl and Enter is all you need. Made a page break in the wrong spot? No problem. You can undo immediately with Ctrl-Z, or place your cursor at the very start of the new page and press backspace to remove the break. Your content will neatly rejoin the previous page. Page breaks are especially useful when you're organizing longer documents. They help ensure consistent page starts for titles, keep images or tables from splitting awkwardly, and preserve your layout when you export. When you download your Canva doc as a PDF, those page breaks remain exactly where you placed them, which is why this method is far more dependable than adding extra returns. To recap, open your document, click where the next page should start, and press Ctrl plus Enter. That quick shortcut gives you a clean, separate page every time. Try it a few times to get the feel, and you'll save yourself a lot of formatting headaches.